Good morning, and welcome to the Shatkin F.I.R.S.T Monday Morning Minute.
Hi, I'm Dr. Todd Shatkin, and welcome to this Monday Morning Minute. With me is the esteemed Gordon Christensen. We're here in Orlando. We're just wrapping up a wonderful two-day event where we had over 100 doctors here with their staff and family and members of their team here to learn about mini dental implants and a whole host of other things from both myself and Dr. Gordon Christensen. We're so glad to have been here. Gordon, you've just been so wonderful to have here.
My pleasure.
Thank you so much for joining us, and we really look forward to seeing you again soon.
Thank you. And thanks to you for stimulating the use of implants that were originally condemned.
Well, thanks to you for supporting it all these years. You've been a great mentor and friend to a lot of people.
Well, any company watching this must recognize if you're doing 3.25 and up, you're missing half the population. You've got to have the other end of the spectrum. You got it.
100%.
We have upcoming courses in Buffalo at the world's largest mini dental implant training facility on September 22nd and 23rd. And then to finish the year, we're going to have a huge advanced mini dental implant and mono dental implant course 16th, 17th, and on the 18th, which will be Saturday, Dr. Sam Shatkin will be doing a Botox course. November's going to be busy. We're going to be celebrating our 20th year. We're so excited. Have a great week.